Hello everyone, this is Sambhavita, and my favorite thing while growing up were balloons. And so today, let's learn to paint balloons using watercolors with Thooviarts. Listing all the materials that we are going to need today. Easy step to draw a balloon is to take any object with a circular surface and draw a half circle. Now take a pencil and pull it to the bottom and join the lines. Repeat the same thing with the other balloon as well. And now let's paint it. Take a brush, dip it in water and now paint inside the balloon. Fill it alongside the border of the balloon. We will be using a wet on wet technique to paint the balloons. Now take yellow or any favorite color of your choice and start applying it on the watered areas. Next, take a darker yellow shade and apply the same technique and fill the balloon with a darker yellow shade. Here is where the magic happens. You don't have to do much. The water, the colors will come together and blend beautifully. Now, let this dry and let's move on to the next balloon. For that, I am going to do the same with the color green. Dip your brush in water again and fill the balloon, taking light green at first and filling the balloon. Dark green for the other side. I am also outlining the balloon with emerald green color. Taking dark green again, and now I'll be painting stripes on the balloon. You can be creative and draw your own patterns as well. I'm taking some white and highlighting the balloon to add some shine. Next, take a brush and turn it upside down. Take some red paint and dip the wooden tip of your brush and add tiny dots all over the balloon. You can add red or multiple colors or any color of your choice. I will finish the painting by taking a black pen, or if you have a sketch pen that works as well, and I will outline the balloon and the strings attached to it. Make sure you're slow and careful while outlining the balloons. Our balloons are ready, lovely and colorful. I've always loved how vibrant balloons are and how they make us so happy. Hope you have fun exploring different colors, shapes and patterns of balloons. The scopes are endless. In case you're interested in taking up online art classes, you can DM me on Instagram at Sambhavita Draws. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.